Good morning, everyone.
Hey, good morning.
We're in Winslow, Arizona. And if you don't know about Winslow, you may have heard the song by the Eagles, Take It Easy.
It's really probably, I'd assume, what anyone has heard of it nowadays.
We stayed here last night in their visitor center parking lot, which was pretty chill, except for a few trains.
Yeah, but honestly, some, they would like, I don't know, when they would connect up or something, that would sound intense. But otherwise, it sounded like just some nice white noise in the background.
They didn't like blow their horns, really. It was just white train noise.
Yeah.
I think we were at like a train interchange, but...
Well, also, this Winslow was popular on the Route 66, historic Route 66 here in the U.S., so...
Route 66 goes from Chicago to, I think, California.
Yeah, Santa Monica?
At least LA.
Somewhere in Southern California.
Don't rely on us for info. We're just here to entertain you.
Yeah.
But once I-40 came through this town, it kind of shut off all the people driving through. They didn't have a reason to drive through Winslow anymore. So the Eagles song kind of regenerated some interest in the town. They've embraced the notoriety that came with the song.
Yeah, they love it, and I love that they love it.
Okay, guys, Winslow's really cool. I really liked it. Did you?
Yeah, it was really nice.
We almost didn't even stop here until last night. I was looking on Atlas Obscura and realized that standing on the corner in Winslow, Arizona is a thing that they really do here. And then we listened to the song and we're like, oh yeah, we even know the words. And it's right on Route 66. They take a lot of pride in it. And then I just got the best coffee of my life, I'm pretty sure, right here at the Sipp Shoppe. And Google said it was closed today, but Justin found the open sign and we got coffee. So recommend going over there when you all stop in Winslow and spend some time here, because it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty cute. Yeah.
The next thing that we want to do is go get showers, but there's a big meteor crater on the way there that we got to stop at first.
He always drinks when we're filming.
Why does he do that?
Don't know. And then also we're going to go try and find these waterfalls that y'all will be shocked to see.
Chocolate waterfalls. Look at that truck.
Pretty cute. And Silverado's dogging it, trying to cut him off. What a douche.
What a doucher. Man, we got here before the crowd.
Yeah. Or people heard we were here, so then they were like, we gotta get downtown, the Floyds are here.
Floyds are here. We're that cool, y'all. You don't even know it.
Yep.
Okay, we are at the Meteor Crater in Winslow, Arizona, where a literal meteor hit the Earth about 50,000 years ago. It's very expensive, like $20+ a person. Apollo test capsules from NASA. It's on loan here. And this is apparently the largest piece of the meteor that they found that made Meteor Crater.
crater in all of the world. This crater hit here 50,000 years ago. It was a meteor made out of 93% iron and nickel. Crashed right here. Now, what you see up here, these larger rocks and stuff out here, these are the rocks that were originally down there, but the meteor hit so hard, it was 150 feet wide. When it hit at 26,000 miles per hour, it displaced the rocks down in the bottom to the top, and the dirt and shit you see down on the bottom now is the newest soil in this area from it all filling back in.
Moving at 11 miles per second, a meteor raced through the solar system towards Earth.
Inside, near the gift shop, they have their own coffee shop here. It's actually like the cutest coffee shop I might have been in, like ever.